All right, team. So this video that we are going to embark on today is regarding our three-part series on coaching. What I mean by that is we could possibly coach our teachers and some of our instructional leaders at the same time. So either way, both is going to be roughly the same in terms of how we're going to go through the process. But first and foremost, I want to itemize first for you guys how we are going to tackle this because this is a Herculean task, right? So we need to be able to chunk things down. So I'm going to break the video into three-part series. The first part is going to be just for us and how we are going to be able to use the Get Better Faster scope and sequence that we have, because that is going to be our almost like our Bible. That's where we're going to base what we are going to discuss with teachers. And then once we get used to familiarizing ourselves with this scope and sequence, then we are going to transition into identifying specific action steps of how we can help coach our teachers. And where that's going to come in is, we're going to identify the concepts of waterfall, prioritization, and some more things. This is just a really brief overview. And then once we're done with that, then we are going to get into how we are going to give our feedback to our teachers or the coachees that we've got, the ones that we're trying to coach. Okay, so we're going to use the framework of see it, name it, do it model. So those are the three things that we have. So let's go ahead and get started. And what I'm going to start with is our Get Better Faster scope and sequence.